So it's been like 3 years since the AirPods Pro 2 has been released. Fast forward to 2025, a lot of users are looking forward to the AirPods Pro 3 sometime in 2025. Now in this video, I'll be going over all the features that people are expecting to be on the AirPods Pro 3 in 2025. So let's get right into it. Now it is said that the AirPods Pro 3 will have a redesign in terms of the case and the earbuds. Now personally, I don't think that it's going to be a major redesign because based off how Apple operates over the past couple of years, they don't really change design that much. Like they will change it a little bit, tweak it here and there, but they don't really do major design changes that quick or that dramatically. And we've seen this in the iPhone series and also the Apple Watch series. But one thing I do believe, the AirPods Pro 3 will have a smaller footprint when it compares to the AirPods Pro 2. I believe it will be even as small as the AirPods 4 with or without active noise cancellation like this one right here. And the reason why I believe that the AirPods Pro 3 will be much smaller than the AirPods Pro 2 is that we've seen the new AirPods 4 and how small it is. So I believe Apple has the technology and they're capable of making the AirPods Pro 3 really smaller than the AirPods Pro 2. I'm also expecting that the new case for the AirPods Pro 3 will have no buttons on that case. Like, you know how the AirPods Pro 2 has a button on the back, like a physical button that you can click? I believe the AirPods Pro 3 will not have any button. I believe it will have like just that capacitive touch button on the front of the case, like how the AirPods 4 has that capacitive touch that you don't really see, but it's there. So you just have to like double tap it to see it and you'll see the LED come up. And speaking of LED, I believe there won't be like a physical cutout for the LED. So you won't see a LED like cutout or anything. Like look at this, like you see how the AirPods Pro 2 has like a cutout, like you can see that little dot right there, that there's an LED that comes on there. But with the AirPods 4, as you guys can see right here, it doesn't have that physical cutout, but there's an LED under the case. I don't know how they do it, but I'm thinking that this is the way Apple will be moving forward. I think it's much cleaner and much neater. You don't really have to see that cutout for the LED. I also see multiple rumored pictures of the AirPods Pro 3 being black, like fully black. The earbuds will be black and also the case will be black. I don't know how I feel personally about having a black earbud, but most people, based off the poll that I did on my channel, said that they would want a black earbud. So maybe there's a market for people who want black earbuds versus white earbuds like how we have right now. Now I also been seeing a picture going around with the screen on the AirPods Pro 3 case. Now me personally, I think this will be a gimmick. I don't think that much people will use the screen on the case, kind of like how they came out with a camera control button on the iPhone 16, which I believe no one really used. Like comment down below, do you use that camera control button on your iPhone 16? Let me know down below in the comment section. I'm curious to know. So before we move on to talk about more new features on the AirPods Pro 3, please consider subscribing to this channel because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of 2025. Better yet, I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before they release the AirPods Pro 3. So get me to 5,000 subscribers so I can probably give away the AirPods Pro 3. So a lot of people are expecting that the AirPods Pro 3 will have a faster processor inside, and I believe that new processor will be called the H3 chip because currently on the AirPods Pro 2 it has the H2 chip, so it only makes sense to call the next one the H3 chip. So I'm pretty sure with that new chip it will give you more noise cancellation and also even a longer battery life because it will be more efficient whenever you're using your AirPods Pro 3. Mark Gurman has reported that Apple is currently working on some heart rate monitoring technology that could be used in the AirPods Pro 3. Apple is also working on some other sensors for the earbud that will be used to measure your body temperature within your ear. I could see Apple adding these sensors and these technology in order to improve people's health because you've seen in iOS 18 they added some hearing aid features which brought in a lot of sales on the AirPods Pro 2. So I could see them adding more health features to attract more audience towards the AirPods Pro 3. Another feature for the AirPods Pro 3 that is being worked on according to Mark Gurman report is that Apple is adding some infrared cameras to the AirPods Pro 3, and I believe these infrared camera will be used to improve spatial audio when you pair it with the Apple Vision Pro. Personally, I don't see how infrared camera will improve spatial audio, but if you do know how this will improve spatial audio, please kindly explain that down below in the comment section, because I don't know how Apple is going to do it, but I guess that's why Apple is so good at what they do, because they know what they're doing, and I guess they know how to use infrared camera to improve spatial audio. So I'm curious to see if this feature will be added and how it would work. So as I said, with the new A3 chip, it is expected to have longer battery life. I believe currently on the AirPods Pro 2 you have like 36 hours of battery life, so I'm looking towards like more 40 hours of battery life on the AirPods Pro 3, which will be perfect for anyone who work 40 hours a week, because most people only use their earbuds like 8 hours throughout the day while they're at work, if so much. But I think having a 40-hour battery life on your earpods will be perfect for most people. So most people only have to charge their earpods like once a week. Like, just think about that. That would be so good for most people. So in terms of when I'm expecting the AirPods Pro 3 to come out, I'm thinking as early as spring 2025 or fall 2025. But either way, I'm looking for it to be in the price range of $279 or $250, similar to the pricing of the AirPods Pro 2 currently. Also, I'm really excited to see what Apple is going to do with the AirPods Pro 3, because the AirPods Pro 2 is such a good earbud. Like, it's almost impossible to think that this could actually be better. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the AirPods Pro 3 down below in the comment section. Let me know what features do you want on the AirPods Pro 3. I'll be down in the comment section reading and responding to your comments, so feel free to comment. And that's been it for this video, guys. Also remember to subscribe to this channel, because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the AirPods Pro 3 comes out. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. There's like so many rumors about the AirPods Pro 3, but I believe these that I covered in this video was like the most solid rumors that I heard. Not really rumors, but also expectation according to like Mark Gurman's report and all that. So yeah, let me know if I missed out any, or let me know if you have any thoughts in the comment section. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Peace.